We're hearing more tonight about that troubling Delta variant of COVID-19. The CDC now says there's been a dramatic increase in cases linked to the strain. Simon Gutierrez joins us live in Northeast Portland with what that means for us here in Oregon. Simon?
Yeah, although it's not reflected yet in the Oregon Health Authority's publicly available data, a local hospital administrator that we talked to today says he assumes that the Delta variant is now the dominant variant in his community. As new cases of COVID-19 and hospitalizations around the country are trending upward, the same can be said for Oregon, though on a smaller scale. Hospitalizations increased from 106 on July 9th to 168 on July 20th.
I can tell you that the admissions that we've had within the last week or two have seen a slight increase, but there's still a fraction of what we had during the peak of the pandemic just 6 months ago.
Dr. Ralph Yates is Chief Medical Officer for Salem Health. Although the Oregon Health Authority's data dashboard lists only 43 confirmed cases involving the Delta variant, he assumes the actual number is much higher.
And the assumption is that this is the dominant variant in the community. And when people are admitted, the assumption is that's probably what we're looking at.
According to the CDC, the Delta variant now makes up 83% of the sequenced samples in the United States, up from 50% in early July.
The fact that we're seeing new variants is not at all surprising.
Ken STEDMAN is an expert on viruses at Portland State University.
What we know is that the Delta variant is outcompeting some of the other variants. So you're seeing more of this one than you are of other ones. But is that because it's more transmissible? It's easier to get from one person to the next? That I think we don't have a really good handle on.
In LA County, where a surge of cases has been linked to the Delta variant, the health department has recommended people go back to wearing masks indoors. The Oregon Health Authority says no change in masking guidance is imminent here. Meanwhile, health experts around the state continue to urge vaccination.
If you're vaccinated, you are protecting yourself in almost every case against hospitalization and death, including the Delta variant. The people who are becoming ill today are the unvaccinated. This is a disease of the unvaccinated.
And as he mentioned, recent studies have shown that the current vaccines available in the United States are up to 90% effective against the COVID-19 variants, including the Delta variant. They've been found to be even more effective at preventing severe disease and hospitalization. Reporting live in Northeast Portland, Simon Gutierrez, Fox 12 Oregon.